episode. So, don't tell Daddy. Shh. And don't forget there's one more thing we need to do before anything else. Don't forget to wash our hands. We need stuff for making fairy bread, like sprinkles, butter, and one of my favorites, cream cheese. Don't forget the bread, and if you want, you can use cookie cutters. I've got a star and a cupcake. So now we are gonna make our fairy bread. I am gonna use the star cookie cutter. You have to press it down on the bread, give it a bit of a wiggle. Lift it up, put the star cutter back, pop the star out, put down. Do not throw this bread, it can be useful at a thing. So put it to the side, and I'm going to use my favorite, cream cheese. Now I'm going to add some sprinkles. And now you have made your fairy bread. Now I have all 5 fairy breads to myself. Just kidding. Sharing is caring. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy eating your fairy bread. Live, love, eat. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share our channels on YouTube. That's Sequest S1. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and our webpage for recipes. www.yummyforlittletummy.com